lemon.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Good morning, you guys, from me and my hair mask and my face mask. I took out my extensions, you guys, which I've had extensions for 5 years because I dyed my hair platinum blonde, holler. Terrible idea, burned all my hair off, but it finally is growing back and I have no extensions, so I'm using a hair mask. I'm wearing this cute cream Elwood set. I'm pretty sure it's called the Core set. It's super cozy and lightweight. We're gonna have a great day. It is a Friday, so kind of doing some slow self-care this morning. Gonna go make pancakes because it's Friday, and you guys get to come along in what I eat in the day. Let's do it. Welcome to another morning of celery. I have been juicing every day for quite some time now. I don't find it to be too difficult. I think I was really nervous about having to juice, but I really enjoy it, and the celery I feel like is helping me detox and helping my skin. I'll usually do 1 to 1.5 stalks, and a lot of you guys let me know to take off the leaves because that can make the celery extra bitter. I also really love this juicer. I find it super easy, so I will link it below. Now, I'm not saying I love the taste of celery juice, so I usually go for a really big chug and try to finish it pretty quick. Next is pancakes. I'm actually not working out this morning, so I kind of have a slower morning, and I'm gonna make some banana oat pancakes. These are just a super easy alternative, and I find them super tasty. JT doesn't really love bananas, so he's not obsessed, but I'm such a banana girl, so I really like these. For toppings, I'm just gonna do some strawberries. Because I have bananas already in there, strawberries are just an easy topper, and I also like chocolate and strawberries together, but really you can choose whatever toppings you like best. Okay, so JT and I got this new table, which you guys have to let me know what you think about it. It's like kind of like a cement vibe, which our floor is cement. So I kind of was like, is it a vibe? But we've been waiting for it for months, so now it's here. I kind of was like, no, let's pass. But now I'm kind of feeling it. JT over there he likes it. So I just want to warm it up because since our floor is cement, I just want to make sure it's not too much cement going on. So it still looks really good though, but let me know what you guys think. So JT and I just filmed a fun little TikTok, and all of a sudden I looked, I was like, holy crap, we haven't ate lunch and it's 3 p.m. So going to make lunch and then definitely have a snack later. I'm thinking because I want something really easy and quick, obviously because it's 3 p.m. and now we're starving, that I'm thinking of doing like a solid oven dish, maybe like my sausage with vegetables and potatoes. Kind of easy, plop it in there because we're eating so late. So here we go. For lunch, I'm making a 1-sheet pan of a protein, a vegetable, and a carb. This helps so much. I talk about it in my Q&A of healthy eating, just how to make lunch especially super easy and not take up a whole hour. So really, I'm just gonna mix all of the ingredients together and then I'm gonna plop it into the oven. It's super easy. I find it so tasty and convenient. You just pick a temperature. I usually pick 375, and you can kind of see if any of the items need more time, but usually it works out amazing. Also remember, I am cooking for 2 people, which JT almost counts as 3 because he eats quite a bit. So you wouldn't have to make this much food, but it also helps because then you can eat it for the next day. It's snack time. I haven't had a snack today, so gonna kind of make one that I can also eat for tomorrow. It's gonna be a cucumber avocado salad. It's again, so easy and also really helpful to use the items in your fridge. Gonna add some lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper, super easy, and I just can eat it right away or also let it sit in the fridge for some time. Okay, so the sun is gonna go down here pretty soon, and I wanted to film dinner not in the pitch black because I sometimes find it so hard. So I'm gonna make dinner a little bit earlier and then just save it until JT and I are ready. I put on this little number to just be cozy, and I shared it on my Instagram. It's like this cute little cozy set. It comes with the shorts that are actually insanely comfortable. They don't like ride up, if you know what I'm saying. And then this sweater that's so soft with like this little tank underneath. So now I'll cozy. Oh, and I'm wearing my, don't look at my toes, my Ugg slippers. And now hair back, gonna go cook. Let's do some dinner, ladies. First, before I do anything, I want to clean the kitchen. I find going into a kitchen that is clean helps you want to continue to keep it clean while you are cooking. I'm telling you, this is something that helps me so much to not feel like I have a million dishes to do after I'm done cooking. Something that always helps me enjoy cooking more is pouring myself a glass of wine, or like tonight, just doing a carbonated drink, this probiotic soda from Poppy. And I'll light a candle to kind of set the tone. And usually I'd watch a YouTube video, but since I'm with you guys, I'm just going to hang out. Okay, so just like I mentioned in the healthy Q&A video, I said that I find people's recipes online that I like their dietary ways, I like how they eat, I like their food that they share, and I'll try a recipe from them, so I'll just save it. So today I'm following Emily Grace Food, and she has this avocado pesto pasta. I will just make the changes that I need to. So like for her, she has normal pasta. I'm like, okay, I know that I need gluten-free pasta. If there was any like dairy, anything like that, I would exit out and like try something to make something, put a replacement in there is what I'm trying to say. Whew, it's Friday, the brain is going down. Okay guys, let's get into it. First, I'm going to add the cashews to the tray and put them into the oven. And while they are in the oven, I'm going to make the pasta sauce. So this is where it's really fun. You get to make your own pasta sauce. I'm going to add it all into a blender and wait for the cashews to be done. Okay, so this is what happens. First off, I think the girl that I follow lives in like the UK, so sometimes I don't know if I'm translating the grams and cups correctly. It said to put the cashews roasted for 10 minutes, but the cashews turned like black, as you guys saw. They were so dark. On her page, the sauce is like bright green, and mine is literally poop brown. It's literally poop brown. It tastes really good. Oh my God, like so creamy, thick, delicious, but it's brown. Like, you guys, do I run with this right now or do I just start over? Okay, your girl redid the recipe and it turned out amazing. So I'm really proud of myself. This is where patience is really helpful, and also time. So again, this is why I would not try a new recipe when I only have 30 minutes. You have to try new recipes when you have time. Right now, it might seem annoying that I had to redo it, which it was. But if I love this recipe, now I will know how it works. But I had to kind of figure it out first. You kind of just have to play, but now I'll know what to do and I can use it for next time. So now that I have the recipe right, I'm going to add the pasta into the saucepan. And then also I added in some of the pasta water. You could use about a ½ cup. And then we're going to add the sauce. I have my flame on low heat. Definitely forgot to mention that I wanted some extra protein, so since the oven was already on with the cashews, I put in 2 pieces of chicken and let them cook while I was doing everything else, and they came out at the perfect time. And for dessert, I'm gonna have this mint chip vegan ice cream from Salt and Straw. It is so good. I still have some left over in my fridge, so we'll eat some of this as my Friday night dessert. All right, my loves, I am out. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day, one of my favorite videos to watch. Let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see next, as well as maybe a recipe you would like for me to show or try. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time.